Tastes good too. Man, that's good. Welcome everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to take avocados and make them into one of my favorite treats, which is ice cream. So trust me, this is a summertime treat that is going to refresh you and make you feel healthy at the same time. So stay tuned because this paleo friendly recipe is going to knock your socks off. What if I told you that you could have ice cream and still eat healthy? I think so many times we assume that eating healthy and sticking to a diet means that you don't get to have any fun and you don't get to eat sweet treats anymore. But that is completely the opposite. The key is picking whole ingredients that you know will fall into your dietary needs. So then you can still enjoy things like ice cream. So today we are going to be doing avocado ice cream, and you're going to need a couple of ingredients to get started. I'm going to include those in the description below with this video so that you can take a look there and figure out what items you need to go grab out of your pantry and your fridge to get started. So we're going to start with my favorite, which is the avocados. And I have this handy dandy tool that is an avocado cutter, and I love using it because it just makes it so much easier to cut the avocado and remove the seed, and then slice out all the juicy avocado on the inside. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? This is me. I want more. Look at that avocado. That is a beautiful avocado on the inside. So then we take our little handy dandy seed remover. We hit the top of the seed and then we twist the seed, and then voila, the seed is perfectly removed. That is what I'm talking about, is a good gadget. And then you use this side to slice out the avocado. You definitely want to add 3 avocados to this mix. But if you want to add 4 because you are an avocado super lover, then you can definitely do that. So after we've added 3 avocados to this mix, next you want to take coconut milk in a can. We're going to open that up. And you're going to need a whole can in this recipe. We want it to be creamy. Alright, so then we're going to pour that into our mixing bowl. Coconut milk in a can is just so thick and creamy. I just love it. Yes, please. All right, so now that we have added the honey to the mix, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the immersion blender, we're gonna add the grinder tip to the edge. And since you guys know that I love to get moving in my kitchen, you know what time it is. Cue the music. Avocado juice. My pants! It's okay. Since my face is covered in avocado and this is all nice and mixed up, now is the easy part. We are going to take this and we are going to put it in the freezer and let it rest overnight and freeze. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. See, this is what you call TV magic. See, I said that would be gone for 8 hours, but really it was just a few minutes. So don't tell anybody. So now the next part is gonna be pretty fun. All you're gonna need is an ice cream scoop and some nice waffle cones. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna scoop out. Wow, look at that. So beautiful and green. Oh, that looks so good. Oh man. And then we're gonna get another scoop because ice cream is always better with 2 scoops. Don't ever settle for a single scoop of ice cream. It's not worth it. You only live once. Look at that beautifulness. That is perfection. Guys, I just love how colorful this is, and it smells so good too. So it makes you want to eat it before you even taste it. So let's see if this avocado ice cream passes the true test, which is the taste test. This is the kind of ice cream that you just want to keep tasting. It's like you just don't want to put it down. I can't believe this is healthy. This, almost lost a piece. Can't do that. I can't believe we made this with avocados and that it tastes so good. So this is proof, people, proof that you can still enjoy tasty things while being healthy. So, I don't care what y'all are doing. Y'all need to stop right now, go get these ingredients and make this, because this is going to just make your day so much more refreshing. I hope that you're enjoying making these recipes as much as I am and that it's inspiring you along your health journey as well. So if you're making these and you're posting them on Instagram, please tag me because I want to see what you're making and I want to see how you're altering the recipe in any way. So tag me at Southern Urban Life so that I can see those. And I post new videos every Monday. So be sure to subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time there's a new video. So I will see you guys next week. And until then, bye y'all. I'm just gonna be here eating this.